Now we want to learn about the basics of prototyping. Okay, let's get started, and I'm gonna show you here. Yeah, this is the file that we had, and I'm gonna quickly like delete these parts, and like this is because this is the home page and this is the profile page. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that way, and let me change this color because green doesn't go that much well with the rest. So let's have a kind of fewer colors here, and this one I'm gonna go and change it to maybe 10 pixel like round, and I'm gonna also go change this color to something like maybe, yeah, let's see. So I'm gonna add a quick effect here, and this one maybe like something 15, and a subtle shadow. In that case, we would need this one to be a little bit brighter. Okay, and then background should be a tiny bit darker. So this looks now like a card does. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna duplicate the card. Command D, it's duplicated. So what we should do, Shift A, and that would create basically kind of auto layout for us. Command D, and I'm gonna add a couple of more. The first thing that we're gonna learn is this scrolling effect. Okay, so this area should be scrollable. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly add some spacing here, like padding. Like this one was 32. I'm gonna add 32 from all sides, and what I'm gonna do to match that, like right inside, perfect. So it would be like yeah, center. Good. So now this is my scrollable kind of area. How can I change that part? Like I'm gonna go hold this one, bring it to here. So this is the scrollable area, and I'm gonna go to prototype and make it vertically scrollable. So this part would be vertically scrollable. Let's see. I'm gonna select the artboard, hit this play button, and now easy. Perfect. Seems very good. The only thing is that I need to go back and change the photos basically. So what I can do, going back to design, content really very quickly, content, and run. So here if I go to image, and where I found this photo, like maybe here, and I'm gonna select them all, like, and hopefully with one click I'd be able to change them like all together. Yeah, is it good? Oh, these are all male. Okay, I'm gonna go this one. So, and now I'm gonna select the names. Like what I'm doing, I'm holding two buttons, Command and Shift. So this would help me to select multiple instances from different frames. Okay, so if I go to text and full name, perfect, and then I go select the email addresses and go into email. Okay, email. One of them. Perfect. Let's see. So this is good for us. So yeah, the photos are here, and yeah, then the next thing, like this is simple prototyping effect, but what I need is that here, when I go select one of these, like this user, I go to prototype. Now I can see this plus button you see here, corner, and then this trick is really cool and easy. Like when I connect these to here, what would happen? It would give me these options like unclick, that's trigger, navigate, we have different options, okay, for each of them. And here I've chosen smart animation, so everything would be transitioned like smoothly. And this one is not a profile page anymore, or home page is profile. So okay, so what we need to do here now, going back, like instead of this, we need the whole frame. Okay, the whole frame, this frame one, or like this one, I'm gonna change it to scroll, or I can go ahead, select this one, like because it's profile info, and it's like under this page. Okay, it's called profile info, and this one is profile info, but it's not directly under the home page. Okay, so I need, in order to have that smart animation, what I need to do, like for now it's like this, it would change, it wouldn't animate to this one. Okay, or to have that smart animation, what I need to do is to go and like select this one, create scroll on top. Like I'm gonna go here, Command A, and I'm gonna change these to scroll, and perfect. So here I'm gonna have the same the same properties. So Command Option C, here click on that, Command Option V, and it gives me all those paddings, everything would be like assigned to this one, like it's copying a property, Command Option C and Command Option V. So perfect, 0, 0 then. That's totally perfect. So let's see what happens now. If I go back here, if I hit this one, okay, now it's kind of much smoother. So what I need to do, I'm gonna change this a little bit in a different way. Like I'm gonna go make this picture bigger. Full width, and maybe what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here, remove all padding, both for this one and like fill container, and also we'll remove these parent, the scroll one. Gonna go 0 here and 0 there, so it would be kind of full thing. And now scroll is smaller, but I'm gonna make it bigger, like fix to width. And now this one also with fill, perfect. Gonna make this bigger, then move this a little bit lower here. And now the second part, which is this part, that's a place that I'm gonna add the padding and everything. So let's see, 32, not 30, yeah, this way is like 16 would be enough. And I'm gonna also go remove this padding that I had before, and then this text is too much. I'm gonna take out part of that at least, move it down, this one too. Okay, background should be like, I'm gonna change this one to something like white. Was it white? Okay, let's see. And here, and this page background color, this one was not white, so I'm gonna keep the same color as it was. So let's see how it would do. Perfect. So now we have that animation. Perfect. Another thing, like now I move to this page. If I want to go back to the home page, I should activate this one. So I'm gonna go back there and I select this one and prototyping, going back there, navigate, smart animation is there. So when I click on this one, okay, let me do something else. Like here, the device is off. It was iPhone 14, so I'm gonna go there, select this one. Now I have this iPhone 14 and the size is important, fit the screen. Perfect. Now if I click this one, okay, select this one, going back home. Amazing. The only problem is that because of these iPhones that I mentioned, like it's notch would cover that part, but it's not a big issue. We need to change it a little bit. I'm gonna do that part quickly as well. So going here, move everything like a little bit down, and then now for this one, I'm gonna move it one. Where is it? Like the height of this would be 18. Hopefully it's okay, otherwise I'm gonna change that a little bit too. Like this is 80 now, so this one should be 3, and everything would move. Perfect. Try again. Amazing. Scrollable, clickable, going back. So this is very quickly something about like prototyping. Okay, we could have different effects, different options as well, but those would be like more advanced things. But there are two types of sharing here. One is that you share your prototype here, you copy the link, and you make sure that anyone with the link can view. Okay, this is the link to your prototype. And we can also share the file, like here, sharing, copy, anyone with the link can view. Okay, like this is the thing that we can have here, or we can specifically add some specific people, and if we add some people, then the options would be like this. Only people invited to this file would have access. So that's a different option. But what we need, anyone with the link, copy the link, so that would be the best. Okay, let's see.